If a girl is attracted to you and wants you to notice her, then she will do this. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever been around a woman and wondered if she's dropping hints that she's actually into you? Well, you're not alone, because today we're going to unravel the mysteries of attraction, diving deep into those subtle and sometimes not so subtle signals that she's sending when she's hoping you will notice her feelings. So by the end of this video, you will be an expert in reading those cues, ensuring you never miss an opportunity again. So are you ready to decode the language of attraction and discover what she's really trying to tell you? Let's get started. Frequent hair adjustments. Hair is often a focal point of self-expression and can be used as a tool of flirtation. You will notice her frequently playing with her hair, twirling it around her fingers, or maybe just tucking it behind her ears, especially when she's talking to you. It could be a subconscious sign of attraction. Now, these gestures are often done to draw attention, to feel more comfortable, or simply as a nervous tick when she's around someone she's attracted to. Asking open-ended questions. Closed questions often lead to dead-end conversations, but open-ended ones pave the way for deeper discussions. So if she's consistently asking questions that allow for expansive answers, it indicates that she's genuinely interested in getting to know you better. So by creating opportunities for prolonged conversation, she's trying to find common ground, shared interests, or simply enjoy the pleasure of your company for a longer time. Mirroring your movements. Ever notice how when you lean in, she does too, or when you take a sip of your drink, she follows suit? This phenomenon is known as mirroring. It's a subconscious behavior where one person imitates the posture, gestures, or mannerisms of another. Now, in the context of attraction, it indicates a desire to establish rapport or show compatibility. And when she's mirroring your actions, even as subtly as matching the pace of your speech or your laughter, it could be a hint that she's trying to connect with you on a deeper level. Finding excuses to touch. Physical touch, even the most innocent kind, can be a powerful indicator of attraction. If she's finding reasons to touch you, be it a light touch on your forearm when she's emphasizing a point, brushing a speck of lint off your shirt, or giving a playful shove during a joke, these are tactile hints of her interest. Such gestures are ways of breaking the physical barrier, making the connection feel more intimate and personal. Engaging eye contact. Now, the eyes can communicate volumes, often more than words can convey. If she maintains prolonged eye contact, holding your gaze just a fraction longer than what would be typical for a casual conversation, it's a sign she's trying to engage with you on a more profound level. This extended eye contact, especially when paired with a lingering smile, can be a deliberate effort on her part to create a moment of intimacy, signaling her attraction towards you. Remembering little details. When someone is attracted to you, they tend to hang on to every word you say. If she recalls minor details that you've shared in previous conversations, like the name of your childhood pet or your favourite snack from a trip abroad, it's a sign she's been paying meticulous attention. By bringing up these small, seemingly inconsequential details, she's showing that what's important to you is important to her, and she values that connection enough to remember the nuances of your conversations. Positioning towards you. Body language can be one of the most telling indicators of someone's feelings. Even in group settings, if you find her feet or her torso or entire body frequently turned towards you, it's a sign of her subconscious priority. Our bodies tend to orient themselves towards what we deem most important in that moment. So if amidst the group she's facing you more often than not, it suggests that she's particularly interested in and attracted to your presence. Lingering around. Proximity can often be a subtle indicator of interest, and if you notice that she tends to linger around your vicinity, even when she isn't directly engaged in a conversation with you, it could mean she's trying to create opportunities for spontaneous interactions. By staying close, she may hope that you'll initiate a chat, or might simply be her way of feeling connected without being overt. Active online interaction. In the digital age, social media plays a significant role in our interactions. If she's consistently liking, commenting on, or sharing your posts, it shows she's paying attention to your online presence. Such interactions, especially if they are more frequent than with others, can indicate she's trying to establish or strengthen a connection. She's essentially signaling that she's interested in what you have to say or share. Light teasing. A bit of playful banter can be a fun and floaty way to build rapport. And if she teases you, challenges you in a light-hearted manner, or jokingly pokes fun at you, she's trying to engage with you on a more personal level. This dynamic not only keeps that conversation lively, but also creates a unique bond between the two of you, built on humour and comfort. Prolonged goodbyes. Endings can often be revealing, and if after spending time together she hesitates or lingers during goodbyes, it's a sign she values the time spent and might be reluctant to see it end. These prolonged moments might come with more chat, a few more jokes, or just simply a moment of shared silence. It's her way of indicating that she cherishes your company and looks forwards to your next meeting. Slight jealousy. Now, it's natural for people to feel a tinge of envy when someone they are interested in talks about others or appears to divert their attention. Now, if she shows a subtle hint of jealousy, such as a slight change in her expression, a brief moment of silence, or a playful roll of the eyes when you mention another woman, it can be a sign that she has feelings for you. While too much jealousy, let's be honest, can be unhealthy, slight hints of it can indicate that budding interest and the desire to be the primary person in your attention span. Sharing personal stories. Vulnerability can be a powerful way to build connection. If she starts sharing more personal stories or intimate details from her past or present, it means she's letting you into her world. By revealing these parts of herself, she's not only trying to build trust, but also attempting to create a deeper bond between the two of you. Such moments allow you to understand her better and gauge the depth of the connection. Paying compliments. A well-timed compliment can make anyone's day. If she frequently compliments you, whether it's about the way you look, the way you handled a situation, or any skills that you might have, it indicates her admiration and attraction. Now, these aren't just casual remarks, they are her way of acknowledging the qualities she finds appealing in you. Being more available. Time is one of the most significant gifts one can give. And if she often makes herself available for you, even adjusting her own plans or priorities at times, it's a clear sign she values your company. Now, this isn't just about large gestures sometimes. It's the little moments like quick coffee breaks or short chats that show she's genuinely trying to spend more time with you and get closer. Active listening. We all appreciate being truly heard, and active listening is a testament to genuine interest. If she leans in when you speak, nods in agreement, responds thoughtfully, and remembers the finer details of what you've shared in past conversations, she's not just hearing, but truly listening. This deep engagement signals her attraction and desire to connect with you on a more profound level. Using your name often. There's a power in a name. When someone uses your name frequently in a conversation, it can feel warm and intimate. It's a way to garner your attention and also to create a deeper bond between the two participants in the conversation. If she's frequently saying things like, "What do you think? Your name," or, "Your name, I've always believed that this is a blah blah blah," in a subtle way she's drawing you in, fostering a sense of closeness. Seeking your opinion. When someone values your judgment, they will often seek your views on various subjects. If she frequently asks for your perspective, whether it's about a book she's reading, a movie she's planning to watch, or even significant life decisions, it shows she respects your intellect and often thinks about how you fit into her world. This kind of trust and value for your perspective is a clear indicator of attraction and the desire to integrate you into her thoughts and life. Subtle lip biting or gazing at your lips. Physical attraction has its own set of non-verbal cues. If during a conversation you catch her occasionally biting her lips subtly or her gaze drifting to your lips, it's a classic sign of attraction. It hints at the desire for closeness or the thought of a more intimate connection, such as a kiss. While it's important to always respect boundaries, such signs can indicate that the attraction might be mutual. Now you know what she will do to get your attention, but wait, there's more. Discover the signs she's fighting her feelings for you, or learn how to create sexual tension with a woman. Take your pick, and hey, if this was insightful, please like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more.